Hello, it's Jared here for Charnesky Tech, or CharTech for short. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do input and output statements in C++. Also, we're going to be working on creating a new project. I'm going to show you how to do that, so actually let's start with that. First, we're going to click on New Project, or you'll go File, New, and Project. So what we're going to do here is we're going to be doing Visual C++. And you see here it's automatically under Templates, Visual C++. We're going to go down to Windows 32 or Win32 and do a Win32 application. I'm going to name this YouTube. Wow. I cannot type. And we're going to uncheck Create Directory for Solution. We're going to click OK here, and it should bring up this Welcome to Win32 Application Wizard. We're going to click Next. We're going to uncheck Precompiled Header and our SDL. And we're going to check Empty Project and make sure that a console application is checked. We're going to click Finish, and we should be greeted with an empty project here. Yep, that's exactly what we're greeted with. I'm going to move this to the left side. Try to, there we go. And we're going to right click on the name of the project here, and we're going to add. We're going to add a new item. Now we're going to add a .cpp file for our first use here. We'll eventually create something else beyond that, which would be a .header file or .h, and we're going to just create this and call it video 1, and we'll hit add. Okay, so we're going to do some input and output statements here. The first thing you're going to want to do here is you're going to want to include IOStream using namespace std, and we're going to finish that sentence off with a semicolon. And then we're also going to include string. We're going to hit enter here a couple times, and we're going to create our main. Now main is what the project is going to use to actually run itself. So we're going to type int main, and then we're going to add two parentheses there, an open and a close. We're going to add a couple curly braces here, and we're going to hit enter once more and type return 0. Now we want to return because this is an int function and it needs to return an integer, so we're returning 0 at the end of it. I also always like to just add a little debugger here at return 0. So now what we're going to do is we're going to type cout. Now cout is our way of doing output here in C++. So you'll say cout hello user, please enter your name space, and we're going to end off that with another semicolon. Now we're going to want to be able to save our name here so we can actually tell them hi. You know, we're going to say hi and then their name. So we're going to create a variable string name, and as always we will end our statements with a semicolon. So now input in C++ is cin, and our arrows will be pointing the other direction, so it looks like it's eating the in instead of running away from the out, if that's how you'd like to remember it. So we're going to cin name, and then we're going to cout hello and then we'll do a comma and a space, and then actually we can add more to the cout statement by adding more arrows here. We're going to add the variable name, and then we're going to do it again, and we're going to add an exclamation point to the end of it. And to end off, to go to a new line, we're going to type end line, or end L, and then do our semicolon again. And I forgot to add in our little arrows there. So now, what our program should do is it should output this line right here. And then we should have it create the variable. It'll input the variable via the user input, and then I'll output this. So let's local Windows debugger, and it's always telling us it's out of date. Yeah, we kind of know. You don't really need to tell us. Let's get output that. Please enter your name. Well, my name is Jared, as I mentioned earlier in the video, and then it says hello Jared, and that is our program. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you can return next time for more C++, as well as don't forget to like this video if you liked it,